Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. This is Mark Oswell, and you are a travel and study abroad. It's amazing to have you join me today, and I'm glad you clicked on this video. Right, in today's video, we're just going to go straight into it. There's a university in the US that is waiving application fee, and it's just easy to get this with a lot of scholarships they offer. So I want you to get a disadvantage, okay, an opportunity to apply. Like I said in my previous video, I know there's a lot with immigration to the US, but with the right way, the right channel, you are able to go. And that's why I'm here to help you get this information so that you can, make informed decisions and jump on it. So at the end of this video, throughout the video, I'll actually show you what it is and what the application fee is and the university, so that you can actually apply to it, right? So get your documents ready, your transcript, your passport, your CV, and on all of that for your master's programs as well as bachelor's, which is undergraduate. All right. So if you are excited and you like the content, please do well to like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share. So yeah, let's go. Is the school, right? Easten, Illinois University. I did a short just not long ago, and we're going to explore the pages of this university. And like I said, at the end of the video, I will give you the code waiver, right? There's a code you need to apply to this school for free. And at the end of the video, as we go through it, I will release the code, the promo code or the waiver code, so that you can apply for free. Okay, so this is the university, and there are scholarships you can also get. Yes, the scholarships you can also get, and this is in Eastern Illinois, which is in Chicago, I believe. Today, tomorrow, together. Right, that's a wonderful website. So they have majors, they have scholarships. Apply and visit. Let's see where this school is. This school. Where is it? Usually they have their addresses down there, but yeah, it's somewhere in Chicago. It's in Illinois, right? So I'm not sure. Maybe it's in Charleston, Illinois. That's where it's at. Not in Chicago, Charleston, Illinois. Okay, fantastic. So yeah, a wonderful website. Wonderful website. There are a lot of international students in there as well. I personally know a lot of people who study at this university. So yeah, it's a wonderful university. You want to kind of check it out. Now let's we would open the scholarships. We'll check the scholarships website, and then we can check all the programs they do as well. They have 50 undergraduate degree programs, 36 graduate program of study, and online opportunities. So why don't we kind of explore all of them, and you can take your time and check about the school as well. All right, so the majors here, tell us who you are, and so we can start with undergraduate. The programs they do, we have accounting, adult education, advertising, Africana studies, aging studies, okay, anthropology. The list goes on. Art, different kinds of arts, art education, Asian studies, biochemistry. They have biological sciences. All these broadcast journalism, a lot, yeah. Clinical, laboratory, community and cultural diversity, communication studies, computer and information technology. This is a wonderful program. A lot of people are jumping on because of the era we are getting into. We are getting into the technological era, and so you want to have something to do with digital cybersecurity, digital media technology and all of that, right? Yeah. Okay, electrical engineering as well, emergency management and disaster preparedness. We have English language arts as teacher certification, English language arts, English. Yeah, the list goes on, so you can take your time and kind of check them all out. So this is undergraduate, right? 4 years undergraduate bachelor's degree program here. A lot of them here. Okay. They have mass communication, mathematics for teacher, licensure, military science, a music program, music performance, vocal, music, jazz, nursing, registered nurse to BSN completion program, nutrition, dietetics, organizational development, photojournalism. They have philosophy, a lot. So these are undergraduate programs. The list goes on and on, all the way to workplace wellness, minor, women's, gender, sexuality, video production, and all of that. Undeclared majors is here as well, theater, television, and video production major. Right, so let's check the graduate programs. We're in the graduate school, all right, and yeah, you have Masters of Arts, which is into different categories. They have the one as well on online. You can check the online part later on, but yeah, if you want to do online, we want to travel from our countries, home countries, to the place of the school. So online programs usually they are not something we want to look at, but some could be online, some could be on campus, right? Master of Arts in Teaching, Master of Science, different categories under this major. Master of Science in Education, Master of Business Administration, and all of that. So, and they have certificate programs in computer technology and all of these. All right, so we're just going to run through very quick. Now, with the undergraduate, you get to do assistantship. That's where you get your scholarship comes in. I'll go back to check the undergraduate scholarship, but once we're here, or since we're here, let's check the graduate assistantship. In exchange for duties performed in research, teaching, and service, graduate assistantships provide a monthly stipend along with a tuition waiver scholarship. Okay, please note that scholarship waives tuition only. Payment of all applicable fees are the responsibility of the graduate assistant. So what graduate assistantship is about is you get to work for 20 hours in a week for the school while you get some stipends. All right, some students can work at the library, the cafeteria. You get to be a PA to one of the teachers in different departments and whatnot. Those at the English department, they get to teach K-12. You go to these community schools and teach while you get paid, and then you get your tuition waiver. Some tuitions go as waived as high as 100%. Some will be 70%, 60%, and whatnot. So these are great ones. And at this school, once you apply, you're able to get some sort of graduate assistantship. Yes. So the orientation are here, and all that. Now, like I said, I know people who go to this school. Oh yes, Charleston, Illinois, like I said. So if you have any questions on that too, once you get admission, you can reach out and I can help you as much as I can. Okay. And they have the online degrees here, which I'm not sure if anybody is interested in it, but you can take your time and check these ones out. Now the scholarship here, scholarships. So first year, new transfer students academic works scholarship search. The guide to scholarships at EIU. International students. Let's go straight to international students. Then let's see what it is. Now, international student scholarship was established by the board. Okay, let's skip that. The scholarship pays partial tuition for minimum full-time enrollment in on-campus EIU courses. All right, fees, field trips, continuing education, delivery charges, travel, living expenses, and all that. Personal expenses are not covered. Scholarships awards are only granted for 2 semesters. Now, you have 2 years as a master's program. You have 4 years as an undergraduate program, but they do only 2 semesters, which is only 1 year. The criteria to be eligible for the scholarship are as follows: a minimum cumulative grade point, a GPA of 3.0 undergraduate, 3.25 graduate as converted to EIE grading scale. Now, full academic admission to a degree program, proof of funding for living expense, and all of that. Now, deadline for scholarship, November 5th, 11:59 p.m. Central Time. That's for fall, and for spring is May 15th, 11:59 for Central Time. So for those of us wanting to go next year in the spring, you should have done that in the May, but then you can do that for November and then go in fall. All right, there's an application guide here for the scholarships. I might check on that. Please apply in its entirety. Attempts to review the scholarship application without completion will result in your IP address being blocked from the application. Okay, so you have to check it and then apply. Do not create multiple applications. Please note that scholarships are competitive. Current graduate assistants are ineligible, and if you're a current recipient of the international scholarship, please refer to the instructions from the OISS for extension and all of that. So which means you can extend it. Right? So applications must be submitted before 11:59, and currently enrolled. They click here to check it out. Then these are the scholarships, right? They have the Carol Colner Memorial Scholarship. They have the Uleli L. Anderson Scholarship, Dr. Kenneth, and all of that. Different kinds of scholarships here, but like they said, they give it what's it called? Partial scholarship. These are the deadlines: March 15th, October 1st. This could be a current scholarship. Some of you can jump on, because we are now going into October, which is next month. Okay, these are deadlines, March 15th, but then you can do that as well next year. Okay, the application guide is a PDF file. This is not a scholarship application. Please complete the application online. The student was established. Okay, we don't need that. Instructions: please submit an application in its entirety. We talked about that already. Please note that the scholarships are competitive. Deadline to submit an application is Saturday, April 15, 2023. So this is an old data, but it's reoccurring, so you can use it next year. April 15 should be the deadline. Last name, first name, middle name, and whatnot. So these are just basic stuff, right? So guys, this is the school. It's a wonderful school, trust me. Like I said, I know a lot of people there who can help you as Africans there, who can help you once you get there, and it's quite easy to get through it. So please do well to check these ones out. We've checked the graduate assistantship. Okay, let's take the scholarship out and see the awards they give. The numerous varieties of scholarships out here. William Travel Grant, EIU Graduate School Research, Robert and Catherine Augustine Distinguished Master's Thesis Awards, October 3rd, 2025. Named for and supported by Robert, Dean from 1998 through 2015, and his spouse Catherine, alumna of EIE College of Education. It goes on and on. This award provides recognition of the highest achievement in master's degree research-based projects. So if you are interested in doing research, I'm sure you can have a proposal and apply to this scholarship, right? Me must be degree seeking candidate who completed a thesis as part of a requirement for the master's degree during the dates specified above, July 2023, 1st July, and June 30, 2025. And all of that. So there are different awards here. You can actually kind of check them out, and yeah. Now, once you're set up on which one you want to go for, you can just then go back and then apply. This is to graduate, so let's go to apply. Once you're here, this is where you go through and create a new account. Okay, you create a new account, and then you sign up for it. You confirm, and then you log in. You go to the login page, and then you kind of log in, and now accepted applications for spring 2026, summer 2026, and fall 2026. Right, so this is the power. Like I said, I promise I'm going to give you a code, right? I will give you a code here that would help you make this application for free, because in the US most schools would take application fee. So now that you've joined me up till the end of this video, I want to give you this for free. All right, so I will just put it up right here. This is the code where you put it in when you're signing up or when you're applying. This is the code you'll use. Okay, use this code and then get your application fee waived. All right, and if you want me to do a video on a step-by-step approach on how to apply to, you can also let me know, and I'll gladly do so. All right, so guys, that's about it. Thank you for your time on this short video. I wish you all the best. Let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and I'll gladly help you. God bless, Godspeed, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.